Jared Wickum here. Got some exciting news to share with you all. Wickum Weld is expanding our facility. We originally started just on this side of the shop at 12,000 square feet. Then we grew to 25,000 square feet, and now we're going to be in 40,000 square feet. So what that will do is it'll increase our capacity. We're going to double the square footage of our flatbed area, increasing volume, not sacrificing quality, but providing that excellent service and lowering those lead times to our customers. And we're also going to expand our box production, which we're going to double it in size. And so we're really excited about that, and I'd love to show you what we've got going on the other side. This entire building was just warehouse, no mechanicals, hardly any electrical. Wickum Weld has invested several hundred thousands of dollars to turn this into a manufacturing facility. We are going to start production where we have this tape on the walls where we're putting our electrical outlets. Weld stations to about here. We're going to have our light truck cab rack areas. And then over on this side over here is going to be our Class 8 line, which is going to increase about 40% of the space that they're in now. And then everything here in the middle is going to be our flatbed production. So that's going to increase 2.5 times the size of what it currently is. Big expansion, really excited, and it's going to help us serve the customer even better. I'm Jared Wickum, and this is Wickum Weld.